the elevator. Actually, these are the elevators at the Homewood Suites at Lakewood Ranch in Sarasota, Florida. Got some Gen2s here. May have to talk over the music in the background for copyright reasons. Well, these are installed 2016 to 2017. Going up to 6. And, alright, here we are at 6. Head down to 1. Alright. Turquoise doesn't work. Alright, get a cab view. Alright, stopping at 5. Is anyone going down? Okay, I guess that was a false alarm. Alright. These are just basic elevators. Just your basic Otis elevators. The cabs are nice though, at least on this elevator. I think the other elevator would probably be the same. Alright, and here we are at 1.